Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Fire Island Inlet and Mauritius Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 5 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a gust front was located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Eastchester Bay to near Upper New York Harbor to 6 nautical miles northwest of the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, moving southeast at 55 knots.
Oh, jeez.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The gust front will be near the Verrazano Narrows Bridge and Upper New York Harbor around 4 p.m. Jamaica Bay and Rockaway Inlet around 4:05 p.m. Barnum Island and Island Park around 4:10 p.m. East Bay, Jones Beach, Jones Inlet, and Middle Bay around 4:15 p.m. South Oyster Bay around 4:20 p.m. Fire Island Inlet around 4:25 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern New Jersey and southeastern New York. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service